Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. It's Dan Danabia. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for stopping by. If you're a first time viewer, sincerely, I would love you to like and subscribe to this page and turn on the notification bell so when I drop content like this, you could get value from it. So today we're talking about running Facebook ads, and an important aspect of running Facebook ads, either for your your digital product business or your physical product business, your business in general. They're an important aspect of running Facebook ads, especially when you're running the Facebook ads to a website or a landing page. That's the pixel. That is using a pixel to track, events, tracking events on the website, either a purchase, add to cart, whatever event you want to track. It's you need a pixel, and this pixel has to be installed on the website, and it also has to be linked, of course, to your ads manager. So today I try to walk you through the steps on how to install a Facebook ad, install a pixel on your website. For this example, we're using a simple WordPress website. Install a pixel on that website and link it to your ads manager. The purpose of this, I used um, a new ads manager, just created this campaign now, and I will just try to guide you through the steps. So for this, you must have at least a WordPress website, a landing page on it that's set up, and you have an event you would love to, of course, track. So first, let me start from the Facebook aspect. You have to create a pixel on Facebook. So this is your ads manager. I assume you must have created an ads manager account and gotten to this aspect. If you create an ads manager account and you open it initially, it looks something like this. So what you're gonna do is this is your ads manager account. You're looking for all tools. You go to all tools. Just hover your mouse around this aspect of the screen and it will take you to all tools. Just to confirm it's recording. Okay, it's recording. So as I said, you come to all tools. We are trying to create a pixel. So we go to add a events manager rather. Click on the events manager tab. Okay, close this. Close this. I initially said we don't have a pixel. So when you get to this events manager, you see something like this. You connect a data, gain actionable insights, optimize ads to drive sales. You make sure it's on this. If we have pixels already and you go to these data sources, it would be here, but we don't. So let's look at this overview. Connect data. They want you to connect data this aspect. So you click on the connect data. They would say there will be an option web app offline. This that you go ahead and choose web. You click on the next button. They said create a new data set. So I think this is the name you want to name your pixel. So we are doing this for a test. Test. We just name it test pixel. So we name the pixel test. That is the name of a new data set. So you create. Okay. So they say connect this pixel to a partner. You can actually do it from here by clicking WordPress and doing a direct integration. You know, that is connected with a partner. You just do it automatically, and they'll show you how you should go about it. But I want us to do it manually. I want us to use the manual method. So you go ahead and click on connect manually. So here they say metapixel and conversion API. Metapixel only. So let's choose this metapixel only option and go ahead and click on next. Getting a metapixel involves placing a small piece of code on your website. Just like I said, this code is what will be placed on the website to track events. So of course, finish. So like I said, after you've created the pixel, it would, if you hover it around the overview, you would see the pixel that have been created, which is test pixel. So for you to see the pixel you've created, you head to the overview aspect and you see the test pixel here. So now what we need to do now is to connect this pixel to the website. So we'll be trying to get the code. You try to get the code that we would use in linking to the website. So we go to overview. See the first option, send events from a server, set up metapixel, share data from another mobile, share data stored in a website. You go ahead and choose gather website events from browser activity. You choose set up a metapixel. Remember, this is under overview. Set up metapixel. So there's an option to manually add pixel code to the website. There's an option of using partner integration. I said for the purpose of this tutorial, we'll be using the install code manually option. So you go ahead and click install code manually. So this is the code. They say copy the base code. Copy the base code. So this is the code you'll be copying. So you copy this and you know you have it somewhere. You understand? So copy this code. Then you now head to the website you are trying to install this pixel on. I said for the purpose of this, we'll be using a WordPress website. This is what the dashboard usually looks like. So what we are doing is we have to install a plugin. This plugin will help us to install the code manually, easily. So what you do is you come to, it will not usually look like, it will look like this when you first open it. So you're trying to install a plugin now. So you head to the plugin section. You click on, you know, if you installed plugins here, you go ahead and click add new plugin. Add new plugin. You click on that because you are trying to add a new plugin. So at this aspect, you click, you are looking for WP headers and footers. WP headers and footers. You search for it. I've already installed mine, so you will see it active in yours. It's supposed to be active. I already installed mine, so that's why it's not active here. It's supposed to be written here active. So this is it. This is the one. Take note. Don't go ahead and install another one and get confused at the end of the day. This is the one. Insert headers and footers. Why I said WP headers and footers is because it is by WP Brigade. You understand? So what happens is, in your own case, it will show not to show that it's not active. So you click on activate and activate it, install it and activate it. So after doing that, to confirm that it's been installed, you could go to install plugins and you're gonna see it there. Like mine, it's you could go down here. Where is it? You could see WP headers and footers activated. If I click on here, I'll deactivate it, of which I don't want to. So now, for you to set it up, you go to the settings aspect. You click on settings. You will see it here. not payment, settings. You go on settings, and when you click on settings, it will show here one of the drop down menu, WP headers and footers. You click on it. You click on it. So what happens if this is that code? I've already copied it and I've linked it to another, you know, Facebook account. That's why you see the code here. Normally this place would be empty. These other aspects, which is script in body, would be empty, and this other aspect, script in footer, would be empty. So what happens if you copy that code so it doesn't seem strange? This one, you copy this code from this aspect and you bring it here and paste it here. After you have pasted it, you click on save changes. It will be saved. After saving it, you go here, you come here, and you go ahead and click on continue. You understand? Once you click on continue, you have been able to install the code. It will take you to automatic advanced matching. You okay it, and they will ask you to add an event code. That's about it for this aspect. You have done that. So the next line of action, the main aspect is just to copy that code, put it there. Let me try and act like I've done it so that you see what it looks like. So what happens is at this aspect you turn on automatic advanced matching and continue, and that is it. And they'll ask you to add event code. So once you click on continue, you turn this and click continue, say add event code. So let me show you how to track the events now. After you have been able to create the pixel and set it up as I've showed you, how to how you can track the events on the website. You can't fold this because I'm not using it. So this is a client site and I will be using it. I got permission to use this site for this, take an example. So let me, assuming you want to track the place order button on this website. This is a landing page. Let's assume it's a landing page. And you want to track the place order button. That's when someone, you want to know those that when they get on this site, they click the place order button. So that Facebook will, update you on the number of persons that have come on this site and place order. And also this will also help Facebook algorithm to show your ads to more persons likely to come on your site and place order, which at the long run makes your ads perform more effectively. So we want to track an event on this landing page. And the name of that event to us is place order. So let's go to Facebook and see how we can set that up. So you head to the overview aspect again. You head to overview. You click on the pixel. You go ahead and click on the pixel that you love to use in tracking this event. So I said you go to overview, you click on the pixel, then you head to setting, head over to setting. You go down, you would see what they call event setup. You go ahead and click open event setup tool. We are trying to set up an event so that we could track, just like I said, track an event on the website. So you now head to the website you're trying to track, which is this one, the example, yeah? The exact homepage we're trying to track the activity on. We copy the website URL. As you can see me do here, copy it. Then you head here to Event Manager and you paste it. And you go to Open Website. What usually happen is Facebook would notify you with a pop-up here and ask you which button would you like to track. You go ahead and click on this and it shows you that it's tracked and go ahead and click on finish and you have tracked the event. It's that easy. You understand? So once you have done that, it's set. That means your website and Facebook are now in, you know, they are now in communication. So to go ahead and make sure that the events is firing properly, you have an option of testing the events. You come to test events and come down. See this button where they say confirm that your website events are set up correctly. You click on it. You put in your website URL you're trying to test if the event is set up correctly. You put it here. Then you click open website. You understand? So once you click open website at this point, the test event. If it's firing, it's supposed to show here that okay, one event has been fired. And remember, as you're setting up the events at the settings aspect, they would ask you what do you want that when they click that button, what do you want it to be recorded as? Do you want it to be recorded as a purchase? Do you want it to be recorded as add to cart? You want it to be recorded as checkout? Whatever you want to be recorded as, you include it there. And that's what would actually happen.